guys, welcome back. What we got in store today? We got a snowy Chopsaw that we are going to tear apart. That's the whatchamacallit, electric heater howling. Is just starting it up, trying to get a little bit of electric propane heater. We're just trying to get a little bit of warmth in here today. And shop brushes are great, aren't they? Try to get as much of the snow off as I can very quickly. So, brought this in, and look at that. That's steel. That's plastic. The rest of it appears to be cast aluminum. So, we start by getting the cord out of our way. Put some gloves on here. Spin her around. There's my cord there. Yeah, I haven't got this cleaned up down here yet. It's just been too cold to be down here for any length of time. So today's video is just going to be basically tearing this apart. And gonna go down from there. Oh, Phillips. Alrighty. I can dig that. Here it is. Now, brought these down from the house. One thing I did forget though is my wires. No, maybe I got them. Is this the right one? Yep. All right. Get all these screws out of here. Oh, it's frozen in there. See that? That's out. That's out. Yep, gonna need an extension. Drew having a lot of extensions around is it's really easy to change them up. Some of those are not going to come out, but we don't care, do we? Because we got the tools to take apart, because we're not going to get back together again. So we're not too worried about putting it back together again. We don't have to be too careful with it. Okay, I've had enough fun. Let's see now. Those wires is on. This one's got to come out. This is a long one. There's another one hidden in the snow. That's a great joy about working in the snow, guys. It's half the time you can't see bolts. There we go. No idea how these come apart. I've never taken one apart before. Guess just keep working it off until it gives up. Look at the armature there. Isn't that nice now? Oh, look at that copper motor in here too. Yeah. Oh, son of a gun. And of course, with 2 screws on the side holding her in, obviously, just to make it hard to get out of. Why can't it ever be easy for us, eh? Well, that didn't work. What are you doing to me? Son of a seahorse. Garbage, garbage. Plastic? Steel. What are you gonna win? Well, you know what? Plastic one. So we can pry this out of here. Oh, she's stuck in there good. Why is she stuck in there good? There's no more screws when we get in. I wonder if that's a screw there. Nope. Yeah, there we go. You see outside here, it's a beautiful sunny day. It would be kind of deceptive because it is chilly out. Chilly, chilly. And not the type you have for supper. It is very cold out. Are these screws that hold anything in here? We shall find out, shan't we? Or are they just plugs? Okay, what in the world is this Japanese stuff made in Canada? Here's this plug, and that plug. I think I see the problems right here. This wire's holding it in. Use my little snips, my baby snippies. Yay! Look at that. I won. Haha. There we go. That's plastic. All right. So it shouldn't be too hard to pull out of there. But we aren't doing this today. At least not yet. We're trying to get this big piece of stuff out of here first. So now, it's all cast aluminum. We got that plastic off there. How's this garbage held on here? A screw, of course. See if we get the sucker off now without causing an aneurysm. Haha! You're being you, are you? Well, watch this. I'm gonna be me, and me is a real nice guy. You know how I watch my language real well? Watch your ears. Ha 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 ha! I told you, you'll never win. I seen a big Phillips screwdriver over here. I'm going to have to start that sucker. That's too big. It's not what she said. Anyways, we will try it with this then. What in the world? Yeah, that'll fit in there. What kind of drugs am I on today? None. Yep, just shred. So we still got the barrel outside here. Ching for shred. Almost full. We'll be loading that in the truck here tomorrow. We're gonna take a load in tomorrow instead of today. Because we didn't get too much done last night. So what is holding you on? You know what? I think that piece here is cast aluminum, guys. It is too. So I guess we're going to be gentle with it? Not. And piece there, is that just sitting on there? See, cast aluminum. That was a test. So, look at that, another Phillips. See if it'll come off this way. What do you think? Oh my goodness, something's happening. Something is happening. Look at that right there. Another screw. We got her almost, guys. I'm all excited. I'm excited. And I cannot sing. Okay, I'll shut up now. That is definitely a piece of cast aluminum on there, which I will go for later. Now, get this. Whoa, that scared the inward out of me. Hello. All right, so yeah, it does take much. What'd I do with my big Ugga-Dug? There's my Ugga-Dug. In case you're wondering, me and Squirrel could not remember impact gun. So we start calling it the Ugga-Dugga. So this is our Ugga-Dugga. Yeah, it don't make no sense to me either. We just, we're those type of people, we don't make no sense. So we don't need to make no sense at all. Now that's just gonna spin around on me, you watch. Why does this not feel safe? Ah, not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. Woo-hoo. You guys see what's going on here, right? Yikesy, yikesy, yikesy. Note to self, if I ever do one of these again, do not do that. That was not in there. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Woo. Okay. I got my adrenaline going. How are you guys doing today anyway? Yeah. I got no idea. I would work one of these. I know it's got to come up, but it might be frozen down. He's coming up. No comment. All right. So we tried to launch a blade spinning at about 1400 RPMs across my body. That was interesting. Yeah. This would be the start of what could possibly go wrong video, eh? Alright, so that up there. Bring over this. This ain't gonna work because that's right in the way. So we gotta take that off first. Alright, not an issue. So we take this piece of steel off. Look at that ice and all coming off. It's not cold here in Canada, is it, guys? No. And this is cast aluminum as well. This just shreds too thin to be number one, or that's what's gonna go in the shred bucket or on the ground beside the shred bucket. Yeah. Okay then. There we go. That doesn't come off. That's plastic. It'll come off anyways, but that ain't helping out any. That isn't such a bad place. Don't know how I'm going to get to that. All right, let's just try to get this off of here. I'm probably going to be ahead of myself. I'm going to be in lots of trouble here shortly, but I don't care too much. Let's try to 15. Not quite good enough, but it'll work. Told you it would work. Okay, those are the two bolts on this side. And put my gloves on to spin the sucker around because it's freezing cold. Heater's a nice little invention. It's working nicely. There's a couple more right here, just like I suspected. Look at all the snow! The snow! Now this, look at that, that's all clean. A little bit of sawdust in it. The snow shall melt. And this is, I'm believing it's cast aluminum. All right. Jingle bell, jingle. Okay, that's it. I'm fired. That's extruded. That's dirty. This is sheet. I got no bucket. Okay, let's go find a bucket. Now, shall we find a bucket? I found a bucket. And now this is for our clean cast aluminum. Is that right there? All right. So once again, put the gloves on the feet. Put the gloves on the feet. Yeah, there you go. Put the gloves on the feet. That was a bolt. That's a big bolt. I gotta take that big bolt off. Yes, I do. Let's see how fun this is gonna be, shall we? Where's my big wrench? There's that big wrench. The ugga dugga. I ain't got no sockets big enough for this sucker. Oh my goodness. Now see if he punches through here. Whoa, guess what? I got it released. Oh, that was fun. I hope you guys just see all this fun stuff. That looks like a release button. Car going by? Yeah, car. Okay. That is a release button, but it's not releasing nothing. So, there's a spring in here. So, let's see what happens when we break this off. This is probably not one of my greatest ideas, because I think this is gonna fly all over the flipping place. Hey, I got the blade out. Yikes. Surprise. So I think it'll be how not to scrap. Because I got the funniest feeling I'm gonna get hurt. How do I get in that spring without doing some serious damage to myself? What do you think, guys? I'm thinking I'm gonna take this nut off here. And that's steel. Yeah, you see. All right. What do I put like that? Cleared an escape route. Yeah, escape route. That's not good. When you start talking escape routes, you might want to try doing something a little bit different. Okay. I'm scared. Should I be doing this, guys? I don't think I should be. Let's see if we take this out here. That's under pressure. This is not really good at all. Not in the way. I am really nervous because there's one heavy tension spring in here. Nothing in that direction to break. And that looks like, yikes, I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting flipping nervous. I see one of those suckers in there. We'll see what happens. Smaller than that. Bigger than that. Let's try this one. Still bigger. It's too big, it's too big. I'm missing one. I'll bet it's the one that I need. But since we've almost got this off, I'm gonna nut up here and see if I can take this off the rest of the way. Sheesh, we only saw that spring in there. All right, we're gonna take a hammer and hit it. Again, and again. Yay, I didn't break nothing. Look at that for a spring, guys. That sucker got a lot of tension. And I didn't break myself. All right, so that's off. So, what do we do now? This is big enough to go to number one, actually. So that's number one down in there. Set this over here for now. And, yikes. This is plastic. It's got to come off or it's not going to be clean. It will not be clean cast aluminum. So, okay. Plastic there. That's all cleaned off except for the ice and snow. Yo ho! Just bolt out of here. Oh, that's cool. That turns. Now that is definitely number one. Now since that turned, I might be able to get a thing down in here. Looks like it might be this one. Oh god, no, that's not even close to being big enough. But I see something else there. I wonder if I can get it off with this here. There we go, that's gonna come off. I take this whole piece off here, I think. We're gonna find out, aren't we, guys? How long are you? All right. Oh, so when I was on this side, you gotta come off. There we go. Clearly with the steel, it's into cast aluminum. It's usually not in too tight, because if they put it on too tight, it will split the cast aluminum. So bolts and screws are pretty easy to get out of this cast aluminum, to be all honest with you. Get out of there, you. Not sure it does anything, but it still has to come out because it is not non-ferrous. It is steel. So it still has to come out whether I want to or not. There's the steel in here. Oh my goodness, you. I wonder where you at. There you are at. Gotta get that out of there somehow. But that's a later eventual thing. Got a screw here to take this piece of metal off. Here's that off. Now for the ugga dugga. That's too small. Where'd I put you? Okay, I'm losing my mind. Hello, where'd you go, Mr. Mind? I know I have it in here somewhere. Okay, now that is bloody ridiculous. Am I looking at it? Hello? Where did you go? I didn't know crashes or bangs or anything. Yeah, it's in here somewhere. Is it over here? No, it's not. Is it down here? Nope. Is it down there? Nope. 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 It's a little dish. That big around. With these in it. Huh. Alright, so. I found it. I buried it. Way too big. There we go. So. All right. Now, find my pry bar. Huh, maybe got blue handle in here today. What's up with that blue handle crap? I will come up with that part, ain't none holder on. So let's get the big and that super big pry bar here. And pry you off. So now ouch. All right, you're gonna be painted behind, are you? Not an issue. I got a cure for you. Oh, great. Yeah, my son had this. He broke it. Great. And he's missing 2 sockets. Also great. He's gonna hear when he gets home from school today, isn't he, guys? 3/8. Way too big. Are you gonna come out easy? Oh, that's too big. He's got them all messed up in here. Half of them are missing. I'm a very unhappy guy right now. I believe I got the right one now. No, I don't. This is making me very unhappy, guys. I'm just holding curses in. Another piece missing out of here. He's missing 2 out of here. I mean, I'm just not too happy at all right now. He will be spending tomorrow all day on his hands and knees in the snow looking for that. Because I don't tolerate that. So now, I'll start by taking these little screws and stuff out of here. See if I can find the right size of that. Okay, so it's gonna be a fairly big one. I believe that's it. Just gonna loosen these up first. Just make sure they're both gonna come off. Come on, you bugger. Get off there. Here we go. Come on, you bugger. There we go. Now this is a nice thick piece, so it's number 1. This piece here is thread. Now, just one bolt here holding that on. I tell you, she's throwing, keep some heat in here. See, it's closed off over here, right? Because I got the tarp up in the corner. We just got the tarp draped over most of the part, except for the here is pushed up in. So, later in the week, we're going to go right along and do around there, put it up underneath these was blocked off. And that will keep that done. And then we're going to tarp the walls. Covering all the little cracks and crevices, put a piece 2x4 in there. Take that header out, put 2x4 up there so we can insulate it. Now, is your head? What size are you? You're not the right size. You are the weakest link. Look at that. That works. Okay, dog time. Dogga, dogga. Look at that now. And that is a nice, clean piece of cast aluminum. This one piece alone, hope the battery's not frozen in this. This one piece of cast aluminum alone weighs 5 pounds. That one piece, 5-pounder. There's my cast aluminum bucket that this will not fit into. There it is. Sit. Now this also is cast aluminum. Get all the goodies off of here. The goodies! Alright, we got some frozen stuff in here. Get rid of it. So that's countersunk. So that means that's not gonna, that means it's gonna pop out. That's what it means. This thing here just pops off, I think, by the looks of it. Ain't no screws when we get in. Of course, there's a screw. Who'd have thought that, huh? Who'd have thunk it? All right, it's being stubborn, so, good Lord, that's heavy. Oh, that's because the armature's on that. So we're going to cut down through here and get rid of that screw. Watch your ears. How is that not working? What is your problem? Let's try some more, shall we? That did it. Bye-bye, sucker. More screws, what? I got a couple screws here to get out. 1. 2. 3. Now I see what I gotta do. Alright, that'll work. I need a punch. A punch. Okay, try again. Punch. There we go. That worked. So I can knock this thing here. Oh, you son of a seahorse. You are going to be a pain, aren't you? What I can do is say the heck with it. No, I wonder if I can break it out. I mean, after all, it is just cast aluminum, right? So what I'm going to do first, put my gloves on. And just in case of an accident, we're almost done here anyway, we're going to shut the heater off. Because that might fly up against it. I don't need it breaking it with the propane active and go kaboomy! Alright, let's have some fun here, shall we? Alright. Guess what? Cast aluminum. It could take a long time to get down in there, eh? Alright guys, that's that. So in a little tiny bolt we gotta get out of here. This be clean cast. So how much was that gonna weigh? Minus about an ounce for the bolt. Alright. Only 4 pounds, that's 9. That's about 10 pounds. Clean cast aluminum. Oh, put it there, forget it, want to. Alright guys, now this piece here. Is going to be painted behind. It's probably going to be this one. Nopers. Where's my ratchet at? Because it has an end on it, which I believe is what I need. Me only with a little guy not putting tools back in. There it is. Let's try this one. Way too biggy. Let's try this one. Nope, too small. Too big. Nope. Well, that's kind of screwy because there's 2 up in here too, but I guess I can get to them. But we're going to need their toolkit for that. The other toolkit we left down in the SUV, we got this one here, has the stuff I need. So anyways, she's just about cleaned up for what I can do with what I got for tools here at the moment. And she's been a pretty long video already. Dang it, that's in there good. That's gonna strip. Alright. So, some more cast aluminum here. We just gotta get it apart and clean it up. So, and I gotta get this off. And I've seen a video on how to use this off, all the copper out, but I'll have to go find it and watch it again. Yeah, YouTube's great, isn't it? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video on tearing apart a Chopsaw. And we'll catch you on the next one. See yous. God bless.